Smile Therapy, a sacred reset, denouncing struggle and choosing joy. Why am I grinning like a Cheshire cat? I'ma tell you too. Big up yourself, family. Win some here. Look, if you like this video after you've watched it for a while, please like it, and subscribe, please, and please drop a comment. I need those. I really do. They help me out a lot. Just drop a comment. A heart will do. Thank you. Let's take a moment to exhale. Yes. Okay, so a few mornings ago, I woke up feeling a little anxious. You ever been there? Not full panic, but just a little whisper of unease. Like your spirit kind of knew that you left some things unsettled. Well, I traced it back and I realized it wasn't random. What happened was, before bed, just before I drifted off, my mind was busy trying to figure out how I was going to get all the things on my to-do list done. Whether I had the time or the capacity, how I'd prioritize what I should do first. And just like that, I drifted off to sleep carrying all that tomorrow in my bones. Can you relate? Drop a green heart in the comments if you can relate to that. Going to bed with all kinds of things on your mind. I didn't program my mind for deep, restorative rest. No gentle guidance, no clear intention, just swirling thoughts. And so, my dreams followed suit. Restless, vague, unhelpful. But here's the powerful part. When I woke up and felt that tension, instead of spiraling further, I decided to try something simple, something sacred. I smiled. Not because I felt joy, but because I wanted to feel joy. And family, let me tell you, it worked. It worked. My whole body softened. My breath deepened. I felt a subtle shift. My relationship to the tension changed, and it vanished almost instantly. It was such a noticeable difference. I said, wow. What is it about smiling that makes the body feel so good? I mean, what are the chemical reactions that are taking place that makes the body feel so good when you smile? I didn't know, so I looked it up. The science of the smile. Let me share with you what really happens in the body when we smile. Turns out, smiling, even when it's intentional or fake, sends a signal to the brain that says, oh, we're happy now? Okay, let me help with that. Hey, we're good over here. You can calm down now. And in response, the brain releases a cocktail of feel-good chemicals. Dopamine, our reward chemical. It boosts pleasure and motivation. Endorphins, natural painkillers. You see how I'm excited? I'm really excited about this. Endorphins, natural painkillers, they give us that sweet, euphoric feeling. Serotonin stabilizes mood and promotes emotional balance. And when you smile at others, oxytocin flows too. That's the love hormone. It deepens connection and trust. We are literally wired to bond through smiling. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm excited about this. And physically, smiling can lower your heart rate, reduce cortisol, that stress hormone, and even boost your immune system. So I'm calling this little practice of mine, I'm laying claim to smiling like I invented it, but I'm calling my little breakthrough the science of the smile. Smile therapy. Drop a heart in the comment if you like that. Drop a red heart if you like that. Smile therapy. Not clinical, because y'all know that I'm not no therapist. No, smile therapy, just a gentle sacred reset, like a loving rebellion against stress. So listen to this. True story. Yesterday, I had a headache. And I know better than to let a headache linger too long without taking something, because then, after a while, it becomes debilitating. But I didn't do it. I didn't take something for it when it started. So it was there and it was getting worse. And then I said, let me try my smile therapy with this. And you can guess what happened. The headache gently lifted. True. So now, I want to encourage us to become aware of the language of struggle. I've been on this journey, denouncing the language of struggle. Even in the way that we talk about our day. That's one. But I also told myself a while ago that I was not going to let my to-do list be the boss of me. Yeah, I said that. We be forgetting our own rules. So, we need to be reminded. It's like these things that I come on here and talk about daily, it's not like we don't know them. It's not like we've never heard them before, except every now and again I get a special download. Yeah, so we've heard the things, but we need the repetition. We need to be reminded. And I don't mind being the one to come on here and remind you. That's my calling. That's what I do. So we'll say things like, I'm swamped. Everything is urgent. I gotta grind or I'll fall behind. If you say things like that, drop a yellow heart in the comments if you feel like you're swamped all the time. And if you don't get this and this and this done, you're gonna fall behind. But that's the kind of language that keeps us locked in survival mode, in struggle mode. No wonder we can't rest. No wonder joy feels so far away. That night, I was using words like that a lot. I don't think I have the capacity. I don't think I have enough time. I'm putting the finishing touches on my book. I'm working on my clinics, on my classes. They want me to do 2 YouTube videos a week now, and I'm thinking about all these things I have to do and wondering, where am I going to find the time to do it all and still get my rest? I'm saying these things in my thoughts, putting pressure on myself. But like I said before, not everything is urgent. So what if some things don't get done? So what if you have to reschedule something? What feels better in your body? The pressure or the relief of the pressure? What feels better for you to entertain in your body? The pressure or the pressure relief? Sometimes we just need to breathe and prioritize calmly and trust that what's truly important will get done with ease. That's the kind of energy I want to carry into my day. And that starts the night before. So, me and you, we're going to reprogram the night, all right? I be rhyming a lot these days. Reprogram the night, all right? Yeah, we're choosing to consciously program our rest. And referring to tip number 7 that I gave in my video from last week titled The Struggle Is Not Real, go to my channel, The Big Up Yourself Show, and watch that video, The Struggle Is Not Real. But we're choosing to program our rest. So we want to wind down with intention. We're going to end our day with a signal that it is safe to rest. So before sleep, we're going to pause, reflect, and we're going to tell ourselves, you are safe, you are supported, the day is done, and you've done enough. You might want to play some soft music, some meditation music, journal a few lines of gratitude maybe, then dim the lights. Me, I like complete darkness. I like the dark. It stills me. I know that a lot of us are afraid of the dark, so dim your lights. You're just teaching your body that the day doesn't have to end in exhaustion, and plan to see it for the next day. Say something like, I'll wake up clear, joyful, and ready to flow through whatever matters most. That's what I'm modeling for all of us, okay? Because when we treat like it's a spiritual practice, we rise with power in the morning. And when you wake up, smile. Smile therapy. First thing in the morning, wake up and smile. Let's use smile therapy as a sacred tool. And here's the invitation. Smile on purpose. Just smile. When the weight creeps in, pause, breathe, smile. You're not faking joy. You're inviting it. You're shifting your state with intention. Let your smile be your resistance, your ritual, your reset. I'm going to tell you what smile therapy is not, though. Smile therapy is not pretending everything is fine. But here is the gold that you didn't have to dig for. This is gold. It's about claiming your right to joy, regardless of what's happening around you. So, today, you're going to big up yourself, smile on purpose, rest on purpose, denounce struggle on purpose, and remember, joy is your birthright. And sometimes it starts with a simple smile. Let me know how it works for you. Let me know how smile therapy works for you. Comment, message me, or share this with someone who might need a reset. One love, one smile at a time. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. Leave those comments. Drop a yellow heart right now. Thank you. See you next time. Remember to smile.